first time our technology take the lead under human eyes. We see first time the computer starting innovating and human only supervising. Today our workshop about ChatGPT and Midjourney. We'll see the last update information. I'm so excited to share with you about this knowledge. Let's give you short introduction about my career during this 15 years. Let's start. Okay. My name is Mohannad Amin. I have 15 years experience related to the digital marketing production. I studied as a civil engineer before 20 years. Then I take it opportunity to work as an internship in Space Tune Channel. Then I come back to get it my first opportunity to work in satellite advertising in Dubai. I worked with Ajman TV also as a designer and 3D journalist. I working with Nickelodeon International Company. I work with MPC TV station, the famous TV station on Middle East. I come back to work with independent Ajman Studio as a media manager. Then I work it with Golden Star Company. I take it my another bachelor and MBA about advertising management. I worked with Sama TV. I studied an animation mentor school, some to take it principle of design and 3D character animation. My PhD thesis about how can I connecting between artificial intelligence and the graphic and design. That's why always I have this passion. I feel this is something interesting, how help people to make it creative purpose through technology. Now, truthfully, artificial intelligence become trend. Everyone speak about ChatGPT. We hear a lot of stories about it. It will replace your work. It will take your job. It can do it everything for you just by one click. But truthfully, we have fuzzy image until now because we don't have the guideline about artificial intelligence or ChatGPT. It's coming for us quickly. We not have time, just 1 year. We see this is coming. Everyone starting to speak about ChatGPT. Until now, we don't know the guideline how we can guide this is technology for us. I will share with you nice old story from my friend. When he was kids, like 1940, he was living in small village before. And first time, in one day, one guy, he bring car to his village, first time. All the villagers, they stand around this car because first time they will see this innovation. Everyone try to touch this car. Another people try to speak with this car because first time they will see this machine in their life. But after 20 years, everyone from this village, he has his own car and become master, how he driving this car. And other people become expert, how they will make it maintenance for this car. And some people become master and expert, how make it trading for this is machine. And until become the car, significant part from our daily life. If I compare, this is a story by our situation now. Artificial intelligence on the middle. We are around this artificial intelligence. Everyone try to touch this is new technology. But truthfully, until now, we don't have the guideline, how we can use it, ChatGPT or any another AI platform. But I'm sure after some years, we will be mastered and expert how we can handle this technology because it will be significant part from our daily life, same the car. Let me share with you some interesting information about AI. We must have some specific knowledge about ChatGPT before we start. What it means artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, this is referred to computer system designed to mimic a human intelligent, performing tasks like learning, problem solving, or decision making. It means any computer system can learn, can be problem solver, can be decision maker. This is under artificial intelligence. It means Google not under artificial intelligence in traditional way, because not has ability to learn or to be problem solver or to be decision maker. That's different between normal platform and AI platform. You will hear a lot about generative AI. This is now become very famous and trending in these days. What it means, generative AI? This is a branch from AI focused about creating new content, such as a text or image or music by learning from existing data. It means I give existing data for this is generative AI. He will give me text or image or music. This is all under generative AI. It means ChatGPT under generative AI. Any platform can produce for me text or image or music. This is generative AI. Please, online, could you make it a mute? Mute for mic. Please, mute the mic. Okay, thank you. I will compare now between ChatGPT and Car. Car as a pattern. I will see what this is a great similarity between Car and ChatGPT. Any car contains two parts. First part, engine. Second part, chassis. When I driving the car, I interact only with the chassis. I will not see the engine inside the car. The powerful car coming from the engine. Also, in the AI model or ChatGPT, I see interface only in front of me. But behind interface, there is engine called AI model. The power for ChatGPT coming from AI model. This is same engine for ChatGPT. Also, on another hand, car need petrol for working. AI model need data to working. It means data, the future oil for the people who will has data will have power in the future. That is the first step to compare between ChatGPT and normal car. AI model, the engine for ChatGPT or for any AI platform, this is what it means. This is physical engine, or what I can explain about this is model. The specific computer program made by expert people and take a lot of effort during years by big company. Who's the big company like OpenAI, Google, Meta, Adobe, Midjourney? All this is company, now also Twitter. All this company produce AI model. AI model has name? Yes, has name, specific name. Each company, they will give a specific name for AI model. OpenAI, they will name their model GPT, not ChatGPT, only GPT. GPT, it means generative pre-trained transformer. They will have a lot of version from GPT, like 2, 3, 4, now 4 turbo, become released before 1 month. Google produced another AI model called BARD. Meta produced Llama. Adobe produced Firefly. Midjourney produced same Midjourney. If I bring the engine, I need auto mechanic guy to assembling the car to give me the final product car. Also, any AI model or ChatGPT need a programmer guy to merge between this engine and interface to give me the final products. You will hear also about open source and closed source. What it means, open and closed source in AI model. Usually, any engine manufacturers produce two kinds of engine, or engine manufacturer, we'll have two categories for engine manufacturer. First category, produce engine for anyone to use it. It's free. I am an engine manufacturer. I will give people permission to use my engine by their purpose. Like Mazda, Toyota, Mercedes, they will use only, example, they will use only one engine, two different chassis. On the other hand, there's another company, they will not give you permission to use their own engine. They will produce their own chassis to produce specific car for them. That is two categories. One company that will give you permission to use their own engine, another company that will not give you permission to use their own engine. Who's give you permission to use their own engine? Called open source. Who not give you permission? Called not open source or closed source. Example about open source company, OpenAI. OpenAI, they will give you this engine, GPT, to everyone to use it. That's why reason we hear every day a lot of announcement for a new platform coming on the surface. Every day we hear this is a platform help you to write grammar. This is to create story. Another one to make for you advertising management, marketing, etc. All this is a new platform that will use one engine. This is only GPT. But they will make a different interface with some specific training for their purpose. It means one engine, it's already made with a lot of interface to produce variety of platform. That's why every day we hear a lot of AI platform coming on the surface. Also, welcome. Also, you can do it, any programmer can do it, can take this engine from ChatGPT and make it here on interface and put it, this is as AI platform with subscription for the people. ChatGPT, same magic car, same significant car, because contain three engines, not one. The first engine as a word, this is temporary, this is not correct, but this is called AI model. But I tell to you, this is engine to more explanation as a temporary purpose for education. This is contain ChatGPT three purpose. First one, GPT engine. Second one, called Bing. This is same Google, responsible to search on internet about any information and give for ChatGPT. Third one, called DALI. DALI 3, this is responsible to create image for the ChatGPT. It means if I ask ChatGPT any purpose, he will use it, three engine to give me output. Finally, we have the final products, car or AI model. All people can use it. No need to be technical, no need to be automatic guy or programmer to use artificial intelligence or to drive the car. Same situation. I must know only the guideline how I drive artificial intelligence. Now we will learn together how we will drive. If I go to ChatGPT, for example, now I open ChatGPT as here, and this is another page, ChatGPT, openai.com. Okay. I go for this interface, ChatGPT, very simple, very easy interface. You see, this is divided for two main parts. The left part here, sidebar, bar, and this is right area here. Okay. In the left area, we can see your name and subscription plan. Here you can see prompt fill. You need to ask GPT question. You will write here, and ChatGPT he will answer you. This is only template to give you suggestion about your question. Not important. And this is give me a new conversation or new chat. Here you see I can change between GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. Okay, now release GPT for Turbo. It means my similarity, it's correct to similar between car and GPT because they can't change the engine. If you need to change your engine, also there is specific car, you can change between sport mode and normal mode. Here's same situation. You can change between 3.5 and 4. What's the difference between GPT 3.5 and 4? Let me come back for you to make it comparison between GPT 3.5 and 4. Now, GPT 3.5. Why I needed to explain for you more about difference, because this is the free, this paid. You must pay for this plan, and you not, this is free for everyone. So, okay, for me, for which one I must go? I must go for the 3.5, or I must go for 4. Which one it's more suitable for me? GPT 3.5 is free for everyone. You can make it login by your email and your phone number. It's very easy. Sign up, then go starting using 3.5. GPT-4, it's not free. It's paid $20, like 95 ringgit in Malaysian currency. Sorry? Monthly, yes. Monthly, you should pay $20. But now I explain to you if this is worth it or no. I must pay or I must go for free. I'll give you all function between together, and then you'll decide. $20 every month, I must pay or not. I don't know if this is legal or not to share one account, but I believe not legal. I don't know because we are online now. GPT 3.5, this is fast responsive. See, it's fast, but not accurate, not confidential. I cannot use their information to be confidential. On another hand, GPT-4, it's more accurate and confidential, but little bit slow. 3.5, no need update, not have update. The last update about their information is 2021 September. It means if any information, ask GPT 3.5 after 2021 September, he will not give me correct answer. The last update only 2021 September for him. GPT-4, same situation, because some people, they will have misunderstanding about this point. Last update is 2021 September, same case. But if I ask him any question or any information, update information after this date, he will go to Bing and use internet to bring this information and give me. The difference, GPT-4, he connect with the internet. He can update me any information what I'm looking for. But at itself as an engine, same update for updating, same. But if I ask him about new update information, he go to internet, bring this information and give me. GPT 3.5, it trained on 175 billion parameter. What it mean parameter? This is interior setting for GPT to make a decision. On another hand, GPT-4, it's trained on 100 trillion parameter. This is a huge difference between, see, it's more power, more clever, more fast. GPT 3.5 support only text as an input. I can put only text. He will give me only text. While GPT-4 support image, PDF, Excel file, variety of format. GPT 3.5, he has limitation for input and output. He gave me only 1,000 words as an input, equal 5 pages from normal book, approximately. While GPT-4 gave me 4,000 words, equal 15 pages from normal book. This is the difference. If I go to use GPT for my daily life, like something not important, just I want to make daily tasks, I can go for 3.5. But if I need something more professional for my education purpose, for my research, for my work, for my career, you should go for GPT-4. Different between GPT-3 and 4. See, in parameter. See, same with small kids here. This is GPT-4. Related to parameter, this is 175 billion. This is 100 trillion. This is the difference between GPT-3 and 4. Now release GPT-4 Turbo. GPT-4 Turbo is the difference between 4 Turbo and 4 normal. GPT-4 Turbo support 300 pages input. It means I can put it whole book inside. This is GPT. It's more fast and update itself up to 2023 April. If I ask him any question up after 2023 April, he go connect with the internet, bring for me this information. And it has also a new feature, you can make your own GPTs. It means he has a simple teacher, give you permission to make your own car in same situation. I can make specific GPT only for me or for my work. Sorry? No, it's under this plan. When you pay $20 every month, you will give ability to make all this feature under your plan. Okay. Prompt, you will hear about these words a lot. What it mean prompt for GPT. Prompt, this is a question or set of construction as an input in ChatGPT to give me specific output. It means this is your questions or your instruction to put it inside GPT to give me output. You will hear also about prompt engineer, what it means prompt engineer. This is practice to write some prompt to generate more effective and response answer or output. Same professional drive. He can go fast and safety at this time. This is some practice to write prompt. We have now some people have some mistake when starting to make it try to ChatGPT. They'll start to ask him general questions. Give me these things. Write for me that things. This is general inquiry. This is not prompting. If you needed to understand what concept for prompt more, have you been sit with your grandfather before and listen to his adventure? Everyone listen about, I'm not speaking if he's lie or not, but sometimes interesting about this is adventures. He's starting to speak with you about extreme details, everything. He's starting to talk to you about the light, about the color, about the texture. You feel you are inside the action in this time. This is talent, same prompting. When he give me details, I starting prompt imaging to my head and starting imagine the environment quickly because give me specific details. It means prompt, give specific details, give you more quality for output inside GPT. First rule to write prompt in ChatGPT is named crazy loop. What it means crazy loop? Crazy loop, this is, I need to write a prompt inside GPT. I will ask ChatGPT to write for me prompt. Then I will use this prompt again in ChatGPT. Make sense? I will ask GPT, I need a prompt to make advertising plan. He will give me the prompt for the question. I will use this question again for ChatGPT. Crazy loop. Okay. Example. Now, I will ask GPT to be prompt generator. See this template. Now, if I copy this is template here, copy, I go for ChatGPT, I make it a new conversation, I tell to him, I want you to act as a GPT prompt generator. You will be prompt generator. I will send you the topic. You will have to generate for me ChatGPT prompt based on the content, on the topic, and the prompt should be starting with I want to you act. I will explain to you what this word again. And guess what I made to do, and expand the prompt accordingly, describe the content to make it useful. See, when I give you now be prompt engineer, send for him, this is template. Now he become prompt engineer. ChatGPT, he become prompt engineer in this moment. After that, I ask him any topic what I'm looking for to be useful for me. Okay, now when he become prompt engineer, I will tell to him, I have online store. I have online store include decorative light products. I have light products inside my Instagram online store. I have an Instagram online store. Inside this online store, I have my products. I needed to make it advertising plan in Instagram. I need you to become professional Instagram strategy marketing. Give me the prompt now. Give me the prompt. Okay. Now he's starting create the prompt to become specialized in Instagram because transforming platform. See, now he give me this prompt. See, I copy this prompt. I go for a new conversation. I paste here. What this prompt? I want you act as digital marketing expert specialized in social media advertising. Provide me details, strategy of prompting, decoration live, products on Instagram, blah, blah, all details. Now, this is professional prompt. If I remove this as a prompt, another people coming, tell to him, give me what I must to do on Instagram to share my lighting in story. Example. This is the difference. See, this is more professional inquiry. When I give him this, now I see more professional output. But this is easy. Who will give me this prompt? Same GPT. GPT, he give me this prompt. I use it again on GPT. See, I sent for them to see. You can execute this way in anything what you needed. Anything. To make GPT specialize in any field what you're looking for. See, he give me, if you needed to make it any strategic plan or any advertising plan in Instagram, you will pay a lot of money for expert people or agents. They will go, they will give you same step, not different. First, content creation. Make it, he give me the high visualization since you are promoting lifestyle Instagram, show your products. He give me how I make it content creation for my lighting. See, creative theme, choose. Then step 2, leveraging Instagram features, put it in story. He give me story, reels. All this is step, make it influencer partnership. He guide me how I make it influencer partnership, commercial Instagram, audience target, how can I audience target, all this step he give me. If I ask him as a question, for example, see, give me the daily program for posting Instagram post. Okay, remove this is. With time. Now he's okay. Which day or which time I must make it for me schedule for posting Instagram, because in posting Instagram there is schedule. You must make it. See, he give me in Monday what I must to post, and in Thursday and in Friday, all the day he give me the schedule daily for posting in Instagram to become more professional, and also he can give me the time. If I ask him which specific time, you can give me to post my post inside Instagram. If I not understand any point from this is, I can tell to him, explain to me this is part. For example, here, to me, Control V, he's starting to explain to me this is part. I not understand this is, he's starting explain. I not understand, give me simple words, give me easy words, try to explain for me. I not have any background about technology, he will start to explain for you everything. See, when I needed to make advertising plan, it's very easy and effective way by ChatGPT. Now the first step. Now I'll give you some 4 rules to make it prompt. In a prompt, there's now first rule, crazy law. It's very easy. I ask GPT to make for me prompt. Then I will use it again, this prompt, same Instagram. Now prompt, I have 4 rules. Be specific and clear. Second one, provide context. We'll explain each one. Establish rule, set the tone. This is 4 rules. Follow this rule and you can get it more effective output inside Instagram. Be clear and specific. I tell to you, this is same my grandfather speaking way. When he started to speak, he give you all details about the scene. I'll take 2 examples, one general, one with a specific prompt. General, create an image for dog on the hill. I copy this prompt. I go for Instagram, for GPT. Yeah, sometimes when you copy from PowerPoint, you'll have this issue. Okay, send for GPT. Now GPT is starting to create image by using DALL-E 3. He will use DALL-E 3 to create image. I ask him, general, create for me image for dog on the hill, only dog on the hill. He's starting to generate by using, see, he used now DALL-E 3 to create this image. This is general image. I will not give him any specific feature for this image. Okay, if I press this image, I will see here I, this is information. I will see this is a prompt. What the prompt GPT use it to give for DALL-E to create this image. But I give him only simple words. But he will not give this simple words for DALL-E. He will give complicated prompt. In another hand, if I go for specific prompt, more specific, here, create photorealism. First, image of golden retriever. Retriever, this is a special kind of dog. I believe same. I'm not big fan about dog, but I believe this. Sitting on the grassy hill during the golden hour. You know golden hour what I mean? This is a specific time before sunset, like 1 hour. You see everything yellow and gold. All the photographer, they will like this moment because you see the shadow soft, everything same gold. Golden hour with dog looking toward to the horizon. The dog should have red collar around his neck, and there should be clear sky with a few scattering clouds. I give all the specific details what I'm looking for. Create. Go. Now, starting to create this is image related to my description. Imagine anything in your mind with a small description, all details. If you cannot imagine the details or small description, see, you can ask GPT also. This is more specific. He give me what I'm looking for exactly. See, now he give me this is same photography, same drawing in 1 second. You can create what you're looking for. The same magic. You don't need a camera in the future. You don't need any designer. You can create what you're looking for just by one prompt. This is, believe me, game changer for our technology until now. You see now the information here the details about this photo. Okay, now, yeah. So, yeah. No, because this is not exist on the life. This is a new. Until now, we have issue about ethical using about artificial intelligence. Everyone speak it about it because from where this image? Who's artificial intelligence? From where take this? This is creation from nothing. You never see this. The first time you see this image, Google will not match it. But also, this is copyright. No copyright. You can use it. Okay. And now I ask him to change the time to 3 p.m. for that image. Now I ask him to change the time for this image. Now this is sunset. I tell to him make it 3 p.m. We'll see. ChatGPT, he can change the time for this image or no? Starting to create, understand this is not editing, this is creating a new image, starting to build pixel by pixel. All this is 3. He give me, this is what I'm looking. I just tell to him what you needed, he can give you it quickly. It change the direction for light, it change everything. He can do what you're looking for. Another prompt or another rule for prompting. Provide context. What it mean context? Context, this is the story around you. I am in structure in the hall. I have some student listen to me, for example. Now I starting explain the story around me. After that, you understand what my work. Context, something take time to figure out how, what it means exactly. In simple words, context, you are camera above the scene and imagine everything. This is in simple words. It means you must give details around the subject to give the context. Example, if I tell to you light and light, what the difference? Light first, lighting, coming from the light. Second, light, opposite of heavy. If I tell to you I carry light books, you understand from carrying books, I mean something related to the weight. I cannot see my hand because no light. You understand this is light, lighting. This is context. I give him general prompt without context. Man, create an image for man reading journal. Man reading journal. This is prompt in general. That's why some people use general prompting to give output. But here we'll see the difference between general without context and with context. See, he gave me this. Imagine this is just in one click. Yes, if I see the details for this is photo, I can download from here. I can also make it, example, make it wide image. If he needed to, this is, see now, he's starting to give me man reading journal. I can, now I needed this square, specific square. I see he can give me wide angle about this. Now I am under prompting without context. I'm not use context until now. In general prompt. He give me wide angle. He's starting to give me wide angle. I can change wide angle, extreme, zoom out, zoom in. What I'm looking for, he give me exactly. If I go for specific prompt here with context, for example, copy paste, create an image for man reading an old journal on flickering light on the fireplace in the quiet, dark wooden panel library on expression on deep concentration on his face. I starting to explain everything inside. This is a prompt. See, he will give me now something more specific and more details related, because I explained to him the light. I explained to him this is panel, wooden panel library. See, he gave me what I'm looking for. He gave me the panel, he gave me the light, old journal, everything. Okay. And if I tell to him, replace the old journal by iPad. Not iPad. This is features inside Windows can transfer the text, the sound to the text. Creating image, I asked him to replace the old journal with iPad. We'll see. GPT, he can do it or no? See? Now he replaced it, the old journal with the iPad. Put it cat, put dog, put everything, unleash your imagination. What you needed, he can do it. Okay, make it for me here. Zoom out to X. He will can create zoom out to X. Make it white, make it what you're looking for. It change the color, it change the library, the bag, the color for the fire. All this is imagination. That's why it's very useful to sit with senior people and listen about his adventure. See, he gave me zoom to X, but focus about something important. He will not give me same man, because this is a prompting. ChatGPT, he deal with text to image. He's not dealing with image to image. There's another AI model. If I give him image, he will give me image. But in this case, he will deal only with text. That's why sometimes you give me variation. See, if I don't like this is result, I can tell to him, again, make it refresh. This is bottom. He will starting to recreate the image, depend on my specific from reading old journal. It's take time, because really, if you read some article how he create this is mind blowing. See, create another image, another version from. I can tell to him, let the man turn to be back of the viewer, turn the man to be side of the viewer. What I needed, he can do for me. Okay. Now this is the context. Context is very important and crucial. Context is mean the story or details surrounding what you are asking artificial intelligence. Context provide the framing of the scene or the situation. Okay, I tell to you, if I ask GPT here, light, create an image for, okay, oh, spin drawing. Yeah. Now create lighting coming behind the box. We'll see lighting coming behind the box. In another hand, if I ask him, this is another prompt. See, light coming behind the box. A lot of time, I need a simple photo. Box, cat, a key. I can just one click here. Another prompt, I ask GPT image for two boxes to see the difference between lights and lights. Give me two boxes side by side, one light and one other, one heavy with different material. When I tell to him different material, he will give me different books. And he will understand light, it means, wait, I'm not lighting. See, they give me light and heavy box in this case. See, you can make it thumb for him. Good work. Establish rule. This is also very important and crucial role for prompting. What it means, establish rules. Example, two examples. First, give me the best way to clean data using for educator sometime. What's the best way for clean data? Okay. This is, I don't know, switch off or no, because I feel someone. Yeah. Could you handle this? If someone feel hot, switch on. Oh, okay. Switch off. Yeah, switch off. Yeah. Okay. What best way to clean data? If I ask ChatGPT in this way, I ask him general question, what the best way to clean my data? We'll see the answer. Clean data, this is, he give me remove duplicate, recording, data with missing value, correct the here, normalize data. All this is feature they will give me to clean data. This is without established rule. What it means established rule? Let me give him another example with established rule. I ask GPT now, I am new in data analysis, a researcher. I give him my rule. I don't know anything. I am new in data analysis and research. Give me the best way to clean my data analysis and play a role. It means play a role. Or B, analysis, data analysis, QA, or quality assurance engineer. It means I tell to ChatGPT, I don't know anything. You are professional, I don't know anything. No worries, no one see you here. Give me the professional way or the best way to clean data. But the rule here, for me, I am data analysis and researcher. The rule for ChatGPT, play a role or act a role as data analysis and QA, quality assurance engineer, and give me, see, in this case, if I give him this prompt, he become professional in data analysis. See, now he starting to become data analysis professional engineer. He gives me step by step what I must to do in my data, because a lot of researcher and student, they will use data. They will have, this is step one to define the quality metric, step two, data inspections, data cleaning. But he give me now in more professional way, not same before, because now ChatGPT, he become data engineer. See, this is because I tell to him, I don't know anything. You are professional. Give me the information. Did the play rule. Okay. Play rule before set tone. I provide on the WhatsApp group you some gift about play rule. I will provide, I write for you more than 100 prompt template prompt. You can use it to let ChatGPT work what you're looking for. Example, English teachers, translator, position, JavaScript, Excel sheet, engineer, English pronunciation helper, spoken English, travel guide. He become now this prompt play rule. The same play rule for him. See, I can give him P character from a book. See, advertising, storyteller, or this is more than 100 template. You can use it to tell to your GPT what he must to be. And Set tone. Set the tone. Example, when you speak with your manager, this is different when you speak with your colleague. That's different way. I tell to ChatGPT, play a role, you are designer, and make it in marketing agency, and you have only 2 minutes to meet your general manager with C-level in agency and explain to him about a crucial to add artificial intelligence to our pipeline to increase our efficiency. Note, my general manager, this is has a lot of distraction around him, like mobile call or message. Give me presentation related to this situation, for example. Okay. Now he's starting to help me in this, because all manager, they will have distraction around him. Somebody call him, somebody sent for him message. That's why. Let's give ChatGPT to give me suitable presentation about. Always I use this as to write for me nice presentation. No, this is from myself. Yes, because sometimes I have talent to create like this is a story. I feel interesting to make instruction for any topic. This is my talent. But if I struggle about some point, I'll ask him, no problem. But I feel my PowerPoint to make it creation about a new content. But sometimes, example, to be truth with you, this is a story about the car. My friend, he speak with me about it before. When first car coming to his village, I don't know if you are here or not. I asked GPT to create, imagine my friend. I give him description. Imagine the photo for the city. And okay, recreate the story to explain for my student. He's starting to create for me some funny story, but I give him the idea inspiration. Yes. Example, I struggle with contest. It's a good question. I struggle with context to understand. Give me simple words to understand context. How can I understand? How explain context for the people? He told me this is only story around you. Okay, I can make a similarity between a story and camera. Yes, this is a good example. Like this is, you can go back and forth between you and ChatGPT, but you must start the idea from brain. Now, until now, he gave me presentation for my general manager. See, to give him, this is, give me same presentation for my colleague. See, same presentation for my colleague on the office. He's close and focused. He not focus on the talking. Always everyone he has like this one friend. He not focus on the talking. I needed same presentation, but for my colleague. How can I explain for him this is issue? Always now ChatGPT become more creative and intelligent. He understands what you need, but you just make it fine tuning for him. Starting to change the words. See, he's starting to, hey, not same before. See, here. See, excuse me, I start with my general manager. Here I starting with hey with my colleague. This is different, and he's starting to use something more informal words with my colleague to explain for him my presentation. Now, custom instruction. What it means, custom instruction. Before I go to custom instruction, I will go back and forth between some topic. I will come back for ChatGPT, but let me give you idea about another AI model to make some variation. Okay, just to make it something more interesting about another AI model. This is called Firefly from Adobe. When you go to adobe.com, make subscriptions, this is also paid plan, not free. And this is, I believe, this is, I'm sure it's legal to share account. I will give you now some advice how you can make a cheaper account inside Adobe, and it will help you a lot. Adobe Firefly. Go for Adobe Firefly. When I go for Adobe Firefly, after I make registration, I'll see this. I'll see this text to image, generative fill, text effect, text to image. I ask him, same GPT, but we will see now the difference. Let's give him same prompt what I give for ChatGPT here. Here about creating a reading man. Come back for my here. I will write the text. It's very easy, no interface. Just put it your text and tell him generate Adobe Firefly. We see now the difference between this Adobe Firefly and ChatGPT, how the quality for creating the image sometimes. We'll see how it will creating this is final image. See Adobe Firefly creating more realistic. He gave me also 4 options. See, you can take this photo and download and use it. This is, he gave me, this is photo. Text to image inside Adobe, it's very powerful. See all this image creating by Adobe Firefly. If you needed to see this is the prompt, what they use it. I can take the prompt from here, copy the prompt, then use it. What see, this is the prompt. It means I can create anything what I'm looking for inside Adobe Firefly. If I go to Photoshop, same Adobe family, to see how they will add artificial intelligence or Adobe Firefly inside Photoshop, what they useful for Adobe Firefly inside Photoshop, what the new function, use it inside Photoshop about generative AI. Let's open image to see. Open image. I go for this is my personal image. When I okay, this is personal image in online class. There is one tool here inside Photoshop. It's merged with Firefly. If this is my image, if I tell to him before, now I needed to remove this is red. I will select only this is. I tell to him generated and remove. He's starting to remove this is just by one click. And he will fill behind this. He will starting to remove this part and starting to fill what is behind this is part. See, it's very power inside Photoshop. This tool, artificial intelligence, Firefly, new engine from Adobe, starting to remove this one and creating a new image. It's very simple words. You can use it. Just remove, just fill, change what you're looking for. He will give you Adobe Firefly. It's more accurate and more realism if you compare between C. It's removed. Just by one click, it's removed. Okay, I like it. This is, I'll go merge with a new one. Now I'll ask Firefly to extend. See the magic now. If I tell him, extend the photo, because I don't know here. Starting to recreate and filling the new area by what he expected. He don't know my home actually. See, he's starting creating. This is Adobe Firefly. He gives you 3 options usually when you create. This is first option. This is second one. See, the third one. Okay, I'm happy with the third one. It's fine. I like it. Now, if I tell to him, fill the ceiling, he can fill the ceiling. He's starting to fill the spot. Imagine I starting expand all my photo by realism. He made everything seem real. Shadow, light, everything. I can ask him to put a new frame here. He put a new light. He will put it. He changed everything what I'm looking for. We'll see. He can do it ceiling. He did this is first one. Second option is great. Third, second one. I like it. I believe. Okay. You can make it more accurate, no problem after that. Okay, if I tell to him, he can know my body. See, this is same magic. I hope he not make me fat. Now starting generating a new part by Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly not open source, not allow for everyone to use it. This is okay. This is another option. Something not correct, but you can fix it later. No problem. Okay. But ask him to fill this is. We see. Imagine my wife coming now. Yes, behind this is. Yeah. Yeah. Now starting to make it fill about this. I can fix it the time. You see, this is some mistake about X. Can fix it. We can ask him to fix it now. But this as an initial step, it's amazing. See, he complete my hand. He complete my hand. Now, if I ask him, for example, this is the hair, red tie. Now we will see he can make it red tie to change the color. This Photoshop, but this is a new feature inside Photoshop, a new feature from artificial intelligence. Yes, should be. Yes, can make it video, can make it everything. That's why be careful when you share anything on an internet. See, something I don't like it. I tell him make it again. He's starting to recreate this image again. Yes, exactly. I tell you, be careful. Generative AI not always accurate. Sometimes has mistake like this. You should make it again and change the prompt again and again. Okay, this is because you don't know the output exactly. This is something generative. Oh, better now. Oh my God. Two. Let's see. At least this is here. You still creating until you fill something nice. Okay. Tell to him remove tie. Remove tie. We'll see if he can remove the tie. Always in prompting, go back and forth to understand what you need exactly from GPT or from Firefly. Now starting to generate and removing this is image. this type from the image. He give me another type. Yeah, this is better. Yes, this is good. We like it. See, I tell him to remove, he give me blue type. Sometimes happen like this is in generative AI. Anyway, this is nice feature, an amazing feature for GPT. If I tell to him this is generative frame, he will see he can generating frame to put it on the wall. I asked him to do something also. Yes. It means it's very easy to understand all the details inside any photo and remove everything by just generating what. Oh, he make this is another 3 options. See, he give me this is good, not bad. This is the Adobe Firefly. Yes. Good. Now I'll continue, come back to my GPT construction here. Custom instruction. What it mean custom instruction? If I come back for my GPT, Firefly interesting, try to use it, try to make it some interesting prompt in it. GPT here, if I press there, I see custom instruction. Custom instructions, this is same fine tuning for ChatGPT. It make it adapt to my purpose. If I press this, I see new window coming here, ChatGPT. I ask him to generate ID for each image. I'll tell you what it means exactly. Okay, if I need it to be here, what the useful for custom instruction in ChatGPT? Become personal. It will talk only the way what feel you like it, just for you. It's personal. Now become big helper. They can do things faster without making any mistake. If I adjust the custom instruction, always the same, because they give everyone, they will give everyone the same answer. If I make it fine tune for custom instruction, they will give me always same answer. And become smart also, and learning from you and talking your language. All this is help me for custom instruction. Example, I'll tell to him, make it custom instruction for, see, kindergarten teacher to teach kids between grade 1 and grade 3 the technology, all the subject related to the science by easy way and simple words. I give him this construction. I come back for GPT here. I see here, ask you what you like to GPT would to know about you, provide better response. To provide better response, I give him, I am kindergarten teacher, must be kindergarten teacher, explain for the kids between 1 and 3 years technology. Okay? Here, how would like GPT to respond? Use simple words. Okay, use simple words, save. Make it a new one, new conversation. Okay, new conversation. Hi. Or explain to me AI. See, give me emoji, because now he's starting to speak with the kids between 1 and 3 years. Artificial intelligence, like a smart robot program, it can be learn and make decision. It's like when you teach someone how to do some things by easy words for kids, starting to answer me for kids only. And then they can do their own. AI can be learned from lots of information and then help with different tasks like answering questions, recognizing pictures, or even playing game. He gave me this is playing game. It's kind like having smarter helper on your computer. He give me by simple words because I made construction for ChatGPT to become kindergarten teachers. I ask him about any topic now, he will give me. Now, example, I tell to him, explain to me what it means generative AI. He's starting, explain to me generative AI for kids. To be truthfully, sometimes I use this as template because he's starting to explain to me by simple words. Generative AI type of artificial intelligence create new things, image, thinking like artist who can a new picture and writing can you for with the new stories. He can write for you new stories. He make analogy between generative AI and another story creator. It's look a lot of example learning from them. Then it can be make its own creation like drawings, music, or even new idea. He's starting to use only simple words to explain. I use this and ask him what it means matrix, what it means programming, what it means something complicated. And our life, he's starting to explain for me something more interesting in this way. Usually for my daily purpose, I use this template as construction here. If I come back, custom construction, I use this as paste here. Save. What this is mean? See, this is what it means exactly. This is template. See, skip acknowledge phrases and start with you responsible directly without any acknowledge phrases. Like sure, usually they use acknowledge phrases, ChatGPT, just to provide me the information what I ask for. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Okay, please explain to me what it means straightforward manner without any technical term. Don't be complicated to me. Okay. And make it complicated subject easier to understand by using real life analogy. It means used by sample from our daily life, what means something complicated. All this construction I give him to provide for me something more useful and more easy in my way. Here in this time, I ask him, explain to me artificial intelligence and generative AI with example. See? See, now he's starting to make it my number and he's starting to use simple words to explain for me what I'm looking for. Generative AI and artificial intelligence by simple words, not complicated, because sometimes ask GPT about a question, he become a little bit complicated. Okay, makes sense about this point? As I tell to you before, ChatGPT can make it internet browsing for me. Could you please close the mic, please, on the online participant? Please, hello? Hello? MR, please. Mr. Mujibar, close the mic. Yeah, thank you. Okay. After I make it custom construction for my GPT, I will go for something, another feature related to GPT, internet browsing, and ability can be useful for summarize any website. I asked him to summarize any website, make for me research on internet and give me the resource, give me a comparison for shopping products, language learning. I can ask GPT to be English or another language teacher for me. I can ask GPT also to be education. If you are studying some topic, you need a specific topic, what you're looking for. And also he become a traveling plan for me, and he can give me the last news about practical subject or event. He can be problem solving for finding troubleshooting guide step by step. Let's see example, how can I use ChatGPT on internet? What I explained to you before, this is without internet by itself and only with DALI. Now how we can use it with internet. Here, I am searching and impact technology in elementary education. I am particularly interested in how interactive digital whiteboard effective the student engagement in learning outcomes. Can you help me to find recent research paper, article, and case study? Whose study, master or PhD special, he will struggle time to find research paper, an article, and case study always. If I take it, I go for ChatGPT, paste, he will starting to search on internet. See, I see he's starting to visit a lot of websites and find for me any article related to interactive digital whiteboard for school. They will use it. This is help and effective student engagement to learning outcome. Help me to find recent article, paper with case study. He's starting to search and he will find for me the result. See, he's starting, find for me. This is with source. If I press this one, I can see the source article. What he taken, this is phrases. See, this is article. He taken this is influencer, converting learning outcomes. He take it from another article. This is another. See, accept cookies. Whiteboard. Exactly. He take it. This is article. Fourth. See, he take it another research. Here, this is PDF. He download for me. This is PDF. He find for me. This is article PDF about interactive learning, visual learning technology. See, no need to search and find what you looking for. Okay, see the and give me like conclusion or like it what I'm looking for. Example, give me the case study for this one. Case study. Now, all researchers struggle to build case study sometimes. He's starting to give me case study about this by searching by internet. No. Not connect with internet. Yeah. 3.5 not connecting with internet. Yeah. But this is $20, but believe me, this is effective when you are, like 95 ringgit. 95 ringgit every month. But this is for research, is very effective. It will help you to prepare classes, topic, research paper, and you'll see something more interesting now. I will show you. Let's see, he gave me the case study about this is the, yes, he give me citation. See, citation. All this is something magic. Here, if I ask him, compare between iPhone 3.13 and 14 Pro, he give me the feature related to the customer review also. He get it from customer review. And if I ask him, give me the last update, the last top news in technology. What's the last update news? Last update news in technology. He's starting to give me the last 3D top news about generative AI this week. See, he's starting to search on internet. Until now, I tell to you, the problem we don't have the, look, I tell to you some interesting things. When you start learn any technology, for example, you must pass 3 stages before you become expert. I tell to you. First stage, you don't know what you don't know. It means I don't know anything because this is same dark area around me. I don't know what ChatGPT, how use it, all this feature, nothing, zero. Second step, you starting know what you don't know. During this workshop, you start understand some feature you don't know. After that, you starting know what you know by your practice. After that, you become expert. It means it's normal you struggle about some features. You must pass. This is a 3 stages until you become expert. I tell to him about this is 3 interesting news. See, this is about ChatGPT news, Microsoft, about something related between integrated between Microsoft and generative AI. All this is the news they bring for me. Here, let me give him something more interesting about traveling plan. Hi, ChatGPT. I'm organizing 2 trips from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Bali, Indonesia, next month. Help me in this following steps. Best flight option from Kuala Lumpur to Indonesia. Consider balance between cost and convincing. Second, list of must-visit culture and natural attractive in Bali. What I must visit, which places. Recommendation for mind range hotel in Bali with good review. Suggest local tradition with the Bali, include option of the renting scooter or car. Okay, transportation. Give me the topic of the custom, local custom I should wear when I go to visit Bali. I ask him to give me all the feature before I visit Bali. Give me the flight, give me the hotel, give me what I should dress in Indonesia, give me transportation. All this is search on internet, same secretary for you. He can go on the internet and visit a lot of websites and give you the result. What the better? Related to the customer review, not from his mind. What customer review talking? He will give me the result. Now, he starting search on internet and ton of website. See, he's starting to visit Bali.com. This is official website for Bali. It means he do something credible resourcing. Credibility is very important in research, and he give you confidential. See the magic. How he give me the option for flight 1, 2, 3 with resource. Example, if I needed to make it booking, I go for this is website. See, attractive places to visit related to culture, natural. Here, mid-range hotel. He give me this is the name for hotel, but I must booking. Transportation, you can use scooter, you can use car rent, blah blah. Local custom, responsible local custom here. See, he's starting to give me local custom about Indonesia. Here, all this is feature what I'm looking for by internet. I tell him all my tasks, he go internet, search, collect, give me the final result. Amazing, same magic. Generative AI, let me tell to him, describe this image. ChatGPT, he can describe image. It means he can see. See, really. It's something insane. Starting to describe this image, what you see. This image from our conference, See, this image, personal give presentation at the conference or seminar. How he know this is seminar? Really, this is magic. The individual holding microphone and gesture in this writing hand, indicating they are in the middle speaking. They are wearing glasses, light collar belt shirt, and dark pants. In the background, there is party's viewer of the presentation, side with the text reading some questions. See, some questions here. He read the background. And this is, should be in the hotel. And he know the hotel, Armada Hotel. He take the name from here. Yes, yes, yes. He explained everything in this image. Really. Okay, tell to him, create story for my kids, because every day my kids, he come to me, tell stories. I know patient or not have power to give him story from my mind. He's starting to create for me story related to the image. You can take image for your kids or your friend or your neighbor and tell to him, make for you me image related to this photo. He's starting to creating this image. See, creating a lovely image, a lovely story related to my image. Okay, you can put it in another AI platform and starting to speak this image and listen to this image. Also, I can ask him to know the diseases or the sick for the plant. Here, I can take photo for plant here. I tell to him what the disease in this one and what the terminate. How can I terminate this disease? Starting, describe, this is, and understand. This is, he give me, this is cold, leaf, spot, for this individual, here this is going to be, and which is, see the name, it's common on the planet. For this is termination offer on the, how you can make it terminate for this is, see, by this is a step, okay? Also, you can use it for a human sometime. If something not emergency or not critical, you can take photo for something happen in your hand, in your leg, and give him the photo. He can explain to you what the disease is inside this photo exactly. Sometimes he become as the art director or the designer. Okay, I ask him this design, describe the feedback, give me feedback for this design. How can I improve this design? What's the better way to improve this design? And what's your opinion about this design? He's starting describe what his opinion about design related to principle of design. In principle of design, there is some principle you must follow. He follow this is principle of design, and he give me the critique related to the principle of design. See, the topography of agricultural work was with the term of the impact, but the making sure of the typeface, see, layout and spacing. All this is a step to improve your design. See, he gave me what I must to do to improve my design, to change the color, what the possibility to put it another option on the words. All this is inside. This is my design. It's something amazing. Okay, ChatGPT, if I ask him, read hand drawing, he can transcript hand drawing. Yes, transcript the hand draw of this one. Starting to transcript the hand drawing. Any hand drawing, what you written, he will give you something similar by typing. See. Okay. Now I have my personal prompt. I use it here. I use same technique for prompt. Example, GPT, go, this is control. Now I ask ChatGPT to make marker for exam paper. I'll give you exam paper for my student, mark, and give me the final mark. We'll see now. Absolutely, I am ready with your marketing exam paper. Give me, I will give him the correct answer plus the exam paper. Okay, now if I go for the answer, correct answer for my exam, I will see here, this is the correct answer, Control A, Control C, then come back to ChatGPT, I attach this is answer, and I give him this paper for questions, I give him the correct answer. I give him student paper and the correct answer. Go ahead. He's starting to describe this is and all the answer from the student step by step. Second step, now he will mark the answer. Starting to marketing, mark the answer related of yes. Would you like to process? Yes. He's starting to give me, this is the answer C. Analyzing. Now I'll grade each answer based on the critical provide table. He will give me table for final answer. He's starting to market each part and give me why this part is not correct, why this part is correct. Okay, and starting to analyzing the result to give me more accurate, because I ask him in my prompt, make it double check 3 times before you give me the final result for each student. Okay. See, now starting give me the final by mark. For example, if I go for another paper, this is here, there, this is one. Yeah, now he's starting transcript. Rubushka, you know this paper? For who? Okay. Okay, now starting market the paper for Rubushka. Analyzing, this is, imagine now what we can do. We can put ChatGPT in camera and tell him, take the photo for student, remark, give me the final mark, and send for examination section. No need anyone, just camera. See, congratulations, you are smart. See, I asked him something more interesting. Compare between these 2 students and let me know if anyone cheating the answer from another student. See, he's starting to analyze each answer and give me if any cheating between the student. No need one to make. See, starting to describe each answer. If I take some words from another student and rebuild the word, he can detective, this one. Based on the comparison of this is two students, significant different. This is our post content deeply explanation. Student respond are this much more details and ability to answer. Indicating this is indication. It means no cheating in this answer. Okay. Sorry. GPT, yes, 100% correct, but you must train this is by yourself. I must make it exercise or training for GPT to give me more accurate results. And this is still one step. Yes, one step. Imagine after 1 year, what it will go. When I give him more information, example, I will see you something I train. I do it by myself. This is I see sometime my kids here drawing some photo. My son sometime draw like something unclear. When he become angry, when he become sad, when he has happy, he's starting to draw something. I ask GPT to understand this drawing, what it means. I give him resource about article to analyzing the kid's drawing, what it means. Okay. After that, we will see now if I ask him analyze. This is example. Here, this is one. Yeah, this is for my daughter. She drew this is, and he's starting to give me the feeling for, see, this is smiling. She understand the playful and happiness statement on mind. See, she gave me the feeling for her. Okay. Example, I tell him, give me the exactly feeling only about this drawing. Starting to give me the feeling only of happiness. Yes. Okay. Let me. This is my son. Okay. We'll see now. Oh, okay. Limitation. This is okay. No worries. We'll do something else. Okay. Now I have capability in this account. I'll use another account here. But unfortunately, another account, they don't have this as GPT, personal GPT. Anyway, when you ask him about any drawing, he will give you the feeling exactly. I can share with you this is a prompt later. Now, I'll see how ChatGPT market this is paper, how he will find who's cheating from others. Unleash your imagination. What you think, do it. Example, I tell to him, related to this photo, for example, here, I take a photo for this image. Example, let me take this photo. If I make it print screen for this photo, for example, here. Oh my God, I make it mistake, sorry. Photo, print screen for this photo and save this photo. I will save it on the desktop here. I come back to GPT here. I tell to him, this photo, make it for me. Use this as photo as inspiration to make it decoration or idea for decoration. See, use this image as inspiration to inspire reference for I needed to make it a restaurant. I have idea about tomato example. Tell to me idea if I need to make it restaurant related to tomato. He starting give me the restaurant decoration theme. Okay, yes, and see, he give me the brand identity, what logo I must make it, what color I must use it, the menu concept, marketing material, all this stuff. Okay. Also, I can dive with each topic what I'm looking for. Example, I tell to him here, create an image for interior decoration for that restaurant related to your previous description. Starting, make it for me, creating image for the decoration related to the tomato photo. Sometimes happen like this. See? Because high capability for ChatGPT, sometimes it's take time or have mistake. Now, until now, because a lot of user, if you use it like 50 message every 3 hours, after that it will close and give you time to make it again. See, he gave me decoration. Yes, decoration for restaurant related to tomato. He will give me menu design. He will give me recipe. He will give me guidelines for the chef, marketing plan, everything, everything. Really. Magic, yeah. Usually, I tell to you how it's useful for us. When I needed to make it photo for a cube before. This is my specialized. For example, when I was 3D journalist, I working before, I open software. Example, I needed to make it photo for simple cube to see the effort, how reduce between this is two-step. For example, I can tell to him, create an image, ChatGPT, where I come back here. Or this is create an image. See? For a gray cube with a blanket on 3D render with natural lighting. If I needed to make it, this is a cube. What I must go? Create. See, this is complicated software. When someone see this is really, I spent more than 10 years to master this software. Now for me, nothing. Create, program, plan. I starting to make it a plan. If you have any idea about 3D software, this is something like this. Okay, I needed to give him specific color. For example, I give material for this one. I starting change the color. See, for red, for example. Then I go to make it lighting concept for this cube. Imagine now I starting only to make it light, and this is simple. Now I starting to give this is, after that I tell him render to imagine this is a cube, how it will become. I don't like this is, for example, I starting adjust the lighting, adjust the position. It's take a lot of time. Go to ChatGPT, just one prompt. And more accurate and more beautiful. Example, it changed the color for cube to red. Change. Okay. Color for a cube to red. See, starting creating new image with the red cube, just speaking. Now creating the image by, see, Now changing. See how it's time take it for me in another 3D application to change the color now by easy and simple words. This is a prompt. It's help you to write essay, professional essay. You always, as a researcher, they will use this as a prompt for writing essay. See, if I need it, write for me prompt from your mind. If you can make it, see, on your topic. Imagine he's starting to write essay from his topic. Any essay you're looking for as a professional writer, he's starting to give you. You can post this is every day for any website. Starting to give me, see, about guideline for construction on A grade essay. It will be choosing the topic, the impact of artificial intelligence on modern workplace. See, he choose the essay. Okay, I can tell him choose another essay, and he's starting write for me. This is professional essay for my purpose. Now, conversation with the data. This is important for researcher and educator. Okay, I can copy paste everywhere. If I provide him any Excel file like data, include data. Example, I have this is file here, data file. If I make it review for this file, you see here, this is file, Excel file, include student ID, name, test market, assignment mark, test mark, final test mark, assignment mark, attendant from 25 classes. I tell to him, read this. Is starting to read this Excel, and is starting to make conversation with this file. What I needed from this file, I can tell to him, I am a new data analysis. This is established rules. Researcher, give me the best way to clean my data analysis, play a role to data analysis. Okay, and another way, use ADA to analyzing the data. See, he's starting analyzing the data. Reading, this is starting reading the data. Now I give him another prompt. Use ADA to analyzing the data. Starting analyzing the data. Usually we use very expensive software to analyzing the data to give me what I'm looking for exactly. Now by ChatGPT, he give me all result what I'm looking for. Starting analyzing this data by any way I need it. By any way, I tell him get it the low value, get it something C, starting basic, static, and give me static for the data. All, nothing, anything, not just like this is. I will give you something more interesting also. If you no, nothing. If I write any drawing, drafted drawing, I tell him make it a chart like this is. This is for attendance. This is for assignment test, and assign the final exam here to see the relation between attendance and the final exam. Okay. Yeah. This is very important question. I ask about a lot of people inside LinkedIn. If I now, when I make it attendant for my student, I have example 5 students, I make it 6 because ChatGPT is the 6th one. Yes, now all students can make it all assignment and research just by one click, analyzing everything by one click. We must thinking about a new model about education. This is old way. It will remove, really. If the student use ChatGPT, I am as a teacher, I must use ChatGPT. Okay, how the way? I try to discover some new way. I don't know. Now I try to make it some test. If I allow the student to write what he understand during my explanation. Now, in this case, I tell to you, write what you understand. And starting the camera up, you imagine what you write. And she will give you, ChatGPT, final grade at the last of year, no need examination at last. No need. You must change, we must change the model for education related to artificial intelligence now. If I take this photo, I ask him, make it a chart related to this drawing. He's starting to understand my draft drawing, what I'm looking for, and make it a new chart related about my data. First, he needed understand this is a drawing. I can scatter and plotting. Okay, make analyzing that. How would you like to process this is? Yes, make it. Starting to make it, analyzing for the data related to my drawing or description inside GPT. See, he give me, this is, okay, chart. Give me 3D chart. He's starting now to give me 3D chart. What a chart looking for, any variation, any value, anything, he can do it for me, it's easy. Okay. Now, 3D chart. Yes. Now, if I take this photo, for example, I need to save this photo here. The GPT. I go for ChatGPT again and go for this photo. I tell to him, describe this image by extreme details and number what you see inside this image. Okay, he's starting to describe for me, this is chart, what I'm looking for. He's starting to describe everything inside this image. Create an image for me related to the previous description about the charge exactly, to looking same 3D render. He's starting now, read this description, see, and creating image, same description for the chart. Okay, let's see, I will have idea, no worries. This image. I will copy this is, I'll make it, create an image about, this is V, control V. This I copy this is description here. He's starting to make it new image, creating to my description about the chart. Creating this is image. Okay. He gave me another output for the chart. In this case, any kind of image he can provide for me. Now, if I go for another engine more professional to create image and more impressive, name Midjourney. Midjourney, if I write Midjourney here, I go for midjourney.com. I see this is interface. There is down two bottom. I can go for join beta and sign in. If I go for join beta, Midjourney, it's take me for Discord. Discord, this is platform, same Facebook, give me room to join with another people. Imagine Discord, same Facebook page. Accept invitation for this page. Now I am inside this Discord to see how make it Midjourney for me image. Okay, inside Midjourney here, I can make it forward slash. I tell to him, imagine, ask him red car, for example, just in simple word. Now we will not go deep about prompting because we discover prompting. We'll give him general prompting. You see only the function for Midjourney. Platform, no, separate platform for creating realistic picture only. Same photo, exactly, same dolly, but this is more professional. See, starting to create for me, this is photo. If I see this one, see the quality. See, this is the quality for Midjourney. Here, if I use it Midjourney, if I don't like it, this is, I can tell to him, like this is, imagine, red car, shoot by Sony camera. Okay, now starting, give me by Sony camera. I'll give him, this is also aspect ratio like 16 up to 5 to be wide, aspect ratio, width and height, to make it wide here. See now, we're starting Midjourney create a new image. Same image, I took it by Sony camera. It means I don't need camera. I tell him, imagine this is by Sony camera and give me red car. He started to build, see, build the photo for the red car and give me a realistic photo for image. See, this is 78, 93. And also this is not free, need paid. Subscribe. But see, you imagine this is, see, the quality, same photo. Yes, very good for design. Also, I can tell to him, make it variation from option 1. He's starting to make for me variation from version 1. Example, I like it, this is starting to make it variation from this one. See, he make me variation from option 1. Okay. This is the Midjourney. It's more professional about designing purpose. See, now he gave me more professional way. Now I can tell to him if I needed to blend two images. For example, I go for, this is tomato, blend with this one. We'll see. Now I ask him to blend two images. He's starting to blend, this is two images together. See, now Midjourney is starting to blend. This is, It's more accurate from DALI and more professional for creating images. This is not open source. This is a closed source. $8 every month. Eight. Yes. 8 cheaper. See, it's merge quickly and make it more high quality image. This is very interesting. Ask him, example, if I needed, for example, this is image, I can tell him, upscale this is image. For example, I create this one here, number 2, upscale number 2. Starting to upscale, this is number 2, to make it big. See, he give me big image here. See the quality, really incredible, insane. No need camera. Just imagine what you're looking for and put it. Yes, something very nice and very beautiful. Yeah, I can go for this is image, for example. Here, some technique, I will use it. I go to give me here the seed. This is need sometime more explanation, but we'll explain later about this because we not have time to explain all the feature for Midjourney here. Imagine, I go for imagine. I tell to him, this is blue car. This is the order for seed, like this is. Now he's starting, take this image and make it a new car in same way, in same location. It will be near for my photo. It means I tell to him, change the color for the blue in simple words. Try to make it another car, but by use this is model. Use this model to give me starting to give me new model car by something another location. To give you specific image, same exactly, need a lot of work and a lot of training sometimes. But at the initial step, it's very amazing and very nice. All the photo, what I use it here in the slide, I take it from Midjourney, and you see, give me Spider-Man, give me a Spider-Man eat a burger, give me it's more professional from DALI, and he give me this image. See, it's more quality, what we did in DALI before. Sometimes he can give me like artistic or anime style. If I ask him about anime style, he will give me. See, same drawing. He will give me any drawing image what I'm looking for. Exactly. I here see GPT. I will see the old account. It's working or still high for GPT. Oh, still because limit capability about this chat GPT. Anyway, this is a lot of topic, a lot of information without end, infinity, really. Unleash your imagination, do what you like in ChatGPT. If you have any question, I'm ready. Tell me. Now temporary only. Now only this month. A lot of people try to use ChatGPT. They will give you capability, limitation. You can use it like 50 message every 2 hours. This is only this time, but this is temporary. After time, they will upgrade this because a huge number of users inside ChatGPT. This is overload for him. That's why an under company, they will write this message. This is only temporary for capability. ChatGPT is a limitation.